Hello YouTube and welcome back to the channel. So for today's video we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I am going to be taking pictures today in my 1940s inspired outfit that I shared with you in my fashion haul. I think it was like what I bought myself fashion haul. I have it in the cards. I don't remember what it was called, but I'm going to be taking pictures in that, so I thought what better way to style my face than to have a 1940s makeup look. And I actually found on YouTube a 1940s makeup tutorial from 1946, so I thought that I would follow along with it and film my progress and then show you my outfit and everything at the end. So that's why my face is bare. I'm just going to put my headband on and become a cat. And let's get started.
In several girls' colleges, they have a course in good grooming for which they give regular college credits.
Think about that. Colleges back then had a course for girls and how to groom themselves.
Up on a date instead of off to bed. Makeup comes after cleansing, and I mean after. Never apply new makeup without first removing all of the old. With the help of these two young ladies, I'm going to try to give you a few pointers on applying your makeup. The first step is a smooth base. For that, you can use either a makeup pat or vanishing cream. If the pat is used, you blend it on over your entire face using a damp sponge or cotton. Apply it sparingly, and while still moist, blend it to super smoothness with your fingertips.
Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go dampen my blending sponge. Okay, now it said to what now?
Pat or vanishing cream. If the pat is used, you blend it on over your entire face using a damp sponge or cotton. Apply it sparingly, and while still moist, blend it to super smoothness with your fingertips.
Good night. Good night.
Yes, good night.
Good night.
No!
Good grief. That did absolutely nothing. I mean, it's a base, but still.
If you use rouge, try putting it on with the tri-dot system. One dot directly under the pupil of the eye, the second on the cheekbone, and the third no lower than the tip of the nose.
This again. So one dot under the eyelid. Oh dear. Okay.
Pupil of the eye, the second on the cheekbone, and the third no lower than the tip of the nose. Now fill in the triangle lightly and blend in carefully until no one can see that the rouge is there, not even you. Nothing dates you as much as rouge that shows.
Okay. If we can't see it, why are we even putting it on? I mean, that does look good, not gonna lie. I might start doing this. This part, not the base. Color me impressed.
Lipstick is your exclamation point. Use it sparingly, but well.
We're putting
Use
lipstick on
2
now.
strokes to outline the upper lip, and 1 long stroke for the lower. Fill in with up and down strokes, so that the lipstick goes with the grain of the skin. Be sure that your lipstick harmonizes with your rouge and your nail polish, and check with any reds in your costume to see that everything is in key.
Okay, so Oh. And then one last right down here. Which, ironically enough, this is how I put my lipstick on anyway. And then fill it in with downward and upward motions. And then we have to blot off the excess. So I'll be right back.
Now, after applying your lipstick, blot off the excess with a tissue. Last, your powder.
Okay, I blotted my lips how she did, and that made me gag. I don't like to do that. What?
Last, your powder. It goes over your makeup, all over your face.
I don't have that kind
Choose
of...
the
wait,
shade carefully.
I do have that kind of powder.
When you find one that blends in with the color of your... No lighter, that's your shade.
I have translucent.
If your skin is on the sallow side, you'll want a powder one note rosier. And please avoid the too powdered look.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, I don't have one of those little poof thingies, so I'm just going to use my brush. Oh, okay. Avoiding the too powdered look. I've never thought to put powder over my blush, but you know, to each their own. And lipstick. I put my lipstick on at the end. But whatever. Which is why I don't like using powder, but this was a free gift set. In case you're wondering, this is the Kat Von D Lock-It setting powder in translucent. So, in case you're wondering.
Before you leave, take a good look at your face. And remember, lots of people will see you in profile. So be sure that the makeup goes all the way around to the side.
That's something my mom's told me.
Now I know you want me to tell you something about hairstyling. In selecting a hairstyle, remember...
Are we not doing eyeshadow? Like, a little something? We're not doing eyeshadow? Like, has that gone out the window?
Face, keep away from...
So, we're not doing any kind of thing on the eyes? Okay. So I didn't need half of what I brought out. I think I might... I'm gonna curl my lashes. You know what? We're just going to leave this like this. I'm just going to put a little bit of mascara on just so you can actually see my lashes. But, you know, this makes it easier for me to take my makeup off later. So again, this isn't sponsored. I wish it was because I like her makeup. But I'm using the Kat Von D Go Big or Go Home mascara. Again, this was like in a little gift set. And then what I may do actually too is I've got my ColourPop Super Shock eyeshadow that is like at the pan, because I use this as like my base eyeshadow color. This is in Lady Bird, and I'm just going to put that on my eyelids just to give me a little. So okay, that's a lot of something something. Whoops. So this is like a modified 1940s. Come back. Okay. At least since it's at the pan, I didn't lose any eyeshadow. Put you in there. There, there we go. Oh, well, now my shorts are all glittery. So that just gives the eyes a little something something. So, makeup is done. Is there like a 1940s? Well, I'm going to wear a hat, so I'm not going to do a 1940s hairstyle. And plus, I don't think I have a 1940s hairstyle. So, that is the end. Oh, no, it's not, because I'm going to show you my 1940s outfit, which is menswear inspired, so I wouldn't wear makeup. But anyway, my outfit. Alright guys, so here is the finished look with these shoes. I didn't have these shoes in my haul, so these are from Amazon. If I can find them again, I'll link them down below. These are from Unique Vintage. I love them. Just again, even with these heels on, the pant leg on them is super long. But yep, here is the finished 1940s look. Very LA Noir inspired. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please stick around for other videos that I may or may not post on here. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell notification to find out when I post those videos that I mentioned. Follow me on Instagram to see what I do with this look and others that I create. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
All that's left is a window to my soul. Come and get it.